Hi everybody, so I'm making this video here to show how to go ahead and hook up the Bluetooth connection from your iPhone to your printer that you're using for cool running software. Now, one of the big problems is we have our delivery app will work on both iPhone and Androids. However, with the printers, the printer connection is a little different for both, and also you cannot connect the same printer to both Bluetooth, both Android and iPhone. You have to clear the connections before you're allowed to do that. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to go ahead and clear the connection and put the connection back on with your iPhone. So I've got the iPhone up on the screen right here, and I'm going to go into settings. And right here you can see right here that the Bluetooth is on, so I'm going to tap on the Bluetooth. You can see right there that it's already connected to the printer. I'm going to click on this little eye here, and I'm going to forget the device. Alright, now once that's been done, the Android will actually see the printer now. You can actually hook it up to the Android, but it will not hook up to the Android if there's been a Bluetooth partnership created with the iPhone. So you actually have to clear it out before you're allowed to do that. So let me show you now how to go ahead and hook up the Bluetooth connection back up with your iPhone. It's a little easier with the Android, but with the iPhone you have to go through this step. So what you want to do is I'm going to start from the beginning. But again, I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to tap on the Bluetooth. I'm going to let it find the printer. Okay, there it is. Tap on it and let it connect. Okay, so it's asking to pair. I'm going to pair it. It's connected. Okay, so now it will print. So let me open up Cool Running and go ahead and do a test on this. And tell you what, I'll log out and log back in. Okay, so let me log in. So this is setting up your printer before you actually line it up. And after it's been lined up, you'll be fine. So I click done, log in. So right now it says, do you want to perform a print test? Now what I just did right here is the actual easiest way to go ahead and line up your printer on your iPhone. So now let's say I want to go ahead and I want to take this printer that I'm using here, and I'll actually show you a picture of it right here. I want to take this printer and I actually want to say, okay, this printer I'm going to use with my Android. If you're going to use iPhone with the printers, it's probably best to keep them paired, okay, at all times. If they are, then you're going to be fine. Okay, but let's say I need to move this printer over to the Android. And you're going to find out the Android's a lot easier. But before you do that, we have to get that printer pairing off of this device. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth, and I'm going to click on that little small lowercase I there, and I'm going to forget this device. All right, so now the printer is off of this device, so now it's clear to go ahead and hook it up with the Android. You can see right now it's trying to find it, but I'm not going to pair it. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my Android phone now. Okay, so here I am on the Android phone here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Cool Running, and I am just going to log out. Now with the Androids, you don't have to do all this work as far as going in settings and everything. You can just do it right through the app. So I'm going to click on Make Deliveries, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. Logging in, and it's going to walk me right through the process. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and try and find that printer, and there it is. All I got to do is tap on it, tap the DPP or whatever brand it is, and do a test print. And you'll see right here in a second here, it'll go ahead and do a test print. Okay, good. So now I can just go ahead and hit continue, and I can continue the login process. Now again, what do I have to do if I need to take this printer and I want to use this printer on my iPhone? Well, you got to break the connection of this printer lined up with this Android device. And this is only when you have to go between Androids and iPhones. If you're using nothing but Androids, then you're good. With iPhones, every time you have to clear the connection in order to connect it to another device. All right, so if I want to clear this connection, all I got to do is go down here to Profile in the lower right corner and clear the printer. All right, so that just cleared the printer out. The partnership is broken again. So now I can actually go back to the other app again. Okay, so here I am. I'm back in the iPhone again. I just want to go over this one more time here. So you can go ahead and do it this way by clicking on Make Deliveries rather than going through Settings. And it might but I found out that this isn't as consistent as just hooking up the partnership first. And I'm sorry, this is just how iPhone is. Okay, so I can go ahead and click Login, and again, it's going to ask me to perform a print test. But it's probably not going to work because I don't have the partnership set up for that printer. It's no luck. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out, and I'm going to go into Settings again. And I'm going to go into Bluetooth, and it's going to search for that printer. And I'm going to set up the partnership right here. There it is. Tap on it, let it create the partnership with that printer. Good, I'm going to pair it. So now we're good. Now I'm going to go back into the app. We'll try again. And you can see right here, it is doing the test print. Okay, so the purpose of this video is most importantly is to show that when you're hooking up, if you're going to use both the iPhone Cool Running app and the Android Cool Running app, you have to clear the printer partnership from each respective device before you can hook it up. And also in this video here, I'm showing you that the setups for pairing the printers for the Android device and how to pair with the iPhone. Specifically with the iPhone, you have to go into Bluetooth settings and create the partnership before you can go ahead and do a print test. And inside the Android app, it's all done within the app. Okay, so if anybody has any questions on this, please just let me know. Thanks.